Assalamu alaikum everybody. So we are left with last two questions of 7.1. Question number 9, let's discuss it. So it says that which point from among these three, A is 10 comma 4, B is 7 comma 6, and C is minus 3 comma 5 nearest to the point P, which is, let's make this P as 3 comma minus 2. So just calculate distance between AP. First we calculate AP, and this distance is going to be 10 minus 3, 7 square, 49 plus 4 plus 6, 36, which is going to be square root 75, or it's going to be 85 maybe. So BP is going to be 7 minus 3, which is 4 squared, 16, and then we have 864, that is square root 80, and then you have CP is going to be 6 squared, that is 36, and then we have 7 squared, which is 49. Aha, but that shouldn't be the case. I mean, what is going on? 36, 7 squares, 49, so it's going to be 85. Okay, so the nearest point is BP basically, if we haven't made any small calculational mistakes. So because B has small distance than A and C to P, therefore B is nearest to P. If you are asked to find which of the points is farthest from P, then you have to find which point has more distance, the most distance, or the the maximum distance from P among those three. Farthest means away, nearest means close. So that was it. I hope you got that. That wasn't that difficult. Okay, so question 10 is, it says that point P x comma y is such that its distance from y-axis, so y-axis means any point on y-axis, 0 comma y, is equal to its distance from the point A, which is 3 comma 2, and then it says show that this holds. What holds? Holds minus y square 4y 6x plus 13 is 0. So I'll calculate this distance. Let's call this point PQ, and then I'll calculate PA. So the PQ is going to be x minus 0 square plus y minus y whole square equal to, then we have x minus 3, which is PA. So PQ equal to PA by condition 3 whole squared plus y minus 2 squared. So this, again, you square on both sides and you get rid of this square root, so you will get x square equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 4y plus 4. So what we get, such cancel, and then you get 0 equal to minus 6x plus 13 plus y square minus 4y. Or we can rearrange it and write y square and then minus 4y and then minus 6x plus 13 equal to 0. That was it from my side. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed. Keep watching, keep subscribe, and we are going to discuss the other exercise in the coming days. Thank you so much.